Welcome to Digital Learning DCE. Myself Dr. Shailaja Yam, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Government First Aid College. In this video, let us learn about the chapter matrices. The topic is normal form of a matrix. The objective of this session is understanding the concept of normal form of a matrix and finding the rank of the matrix by using the normal form. By the end of this session, the one can be able to understand the concept of normal form of a matrix and it can be used to find out the rank of the matrix. This is the outcome of this session. Normal form or canonical form of a matrix. Any non-zero matrix capital A can be reduced to one of the following four forms called the normal form of a matrix A. If A is a matrix, then it can be reduced to a unit matrix, that is IR, which is the first form, then IR0 and IR0 as a column wise and IR000, where IR is the identity matrix of order R. The number R is called the rank of the matrix A and it is denoted by row of A. Out of these forms, the fourth form is called the canonical form of a matrix A. In this case, we apply both row and column transformation. In reducing the given matrices to the normal form, we make use of both row and column transformations. Let us learn the topic through the example. The example is find the rank of the following matrix 1, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 3, 4, 3, minus 2, 3 by reducing to normal form. Solution. Consider the given matrix. So in the given matrix, the first row leading entry is 1. Therefore, no necessary to change the row 1 elements. The below the row 1 leading entry 1, we have 2 in the second row, 3 in the third row. Let us make those two elements as 0 by applying the operations R2 changes to R2 minus 2 R1 and R3 changes to R3 minus 3 R1. That gives us the matrix 1, 1, minus 1, 0, minus 5, 6, 0, minus 5, 6. In this matrix, we can observe that the second and third row elements are same. Therefore, by applying the operation R3 changes to R3 minus R2, we can obtain the matrix with the elements 1, 1, minus 1, 0, minus 5, 6, 0, 0, 0. But to reduce this to one of the normal form, so it is not only necessary this, we should make the other non-diagonal elements as 0. This can be done by applying the operations. The column 2 changes to column 2, C2 minus C1 and C3 changes to C3 plus C1. With these two operations, we can obtain the matrix with the elements 1, 0, 0, 0, minus 5, 6, 0, 0, 0. And the C2 changes to minus 1 by 5 times of C2. And we can apply at the same step C3 changes to 5 times of C3 plus 6 times of C2. This results with the matrix 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. This is in the form of I2, 0, 0, 0. That is, I2 is an identity matrix of order 2 cross 2. Therefore, the rank of the given matrix is 2. By applying this operation, we can obtain the matrix with the elements 1, 0, 2, minus 1, 0, 4, 2, 6, 0, 2, 1, 2. So now, after this, it is to make the R3, the second element in the row 3 as 0. So this can be done by applying the operation R3 changes to 2R3 minus R2. This gives us 102 minus 1, 0426 000 minus 2. Now, by applying the column transformation, C3 changes to C3 minus 2C1 and C4 changes to C4 plus C1. In the first row, we can make the elements as 0, that is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 4, 2, 6 and 0, 0, 0 minus 2. Now, R3 changes to half a times of R2 we can take, because we can see that the row 2 elements are the multiples of 2. That is 1, 0, 0, 0, 2, 1, 3, 0, 0, 0 minus 2. And now by using the column 2 element, we can make the column 3 and column 4 elements in the second row as 0. That is, the operation is C3 changes to 2C3 minus C2 and C4 changes to 2C4 minus 3C2. That is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 minus 4. Now, after this, we can make the 2 and minus 4 as 1 by multiplying the second row elements by half and the third row elements by minus 1 by 4. This gives us the answer 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. So, but we can interchange C3 with C4 to bring that to one of the normal form. This results in 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. It is in the form of I3, 0. You can look at that. The 3 cross 3, we have identity matrix and the last fourth column is 0. Therefore, it is in the form of I3, 0. Therefore, the rank of the given matrix is 3. Few exercise problems are given to practice. Find the rank of each of the following matrices by reducing it to normal form. The 4 cross 4 matrices are given as an exercise for you to solve. You can try this. And these are the reference books which are used in preparing this video. Thank you for watching this video.